welcome back to the third episode of my tutorial series. In this tutorial we will go over how to make a processing plant like this. I will not go over the UE matcher assembler, nor will I go over the squeezer or centrifuges over here. I will simply make a setup like this. I won't make every part of it, because it's just putting down the machines like this. But one thing to notice about this, you can't have one straight line like this, because it goes by, I think it's percentage of which way to go. So in this way it has two ways to go. It's either that way or that way. And when it comes here it has three ways to go. It goes back down there, but that will be full almost all the times. And when it comes back up, it has that way to go or that way to go, so that doesn't matter. Same with this side. So every part of it will get about the same chance of getting. So you don't have, for example, if I set it there, that will be overfull all the time. And this would rarely get any resources. I don't know why, but I don't really care. These pipes have logic, so I'm just happy with it. Also, we will not go over this IDSU. You will have a simple, I don't know, let's say we use an MFE here. We'll go slower, but it works the same. So let's get back to single player and check it out. So we're back. That's the part where you need this. So let's remove that crap, because we don't really need it. Let's put a line from wherever, doesn't matter on its side or above, just so it gets a clean entrance down. So for this, let's do electric furnaces. I think we will need one above. Let's have good time. Yeah, this will work. Oops. Okay. So putting down. One thing to notice about the electric furnaces, they can take power from everywhere. They can take items from the above. I don't think I can just try it. No, they can't take from the side. There's only from the top. So you need to have something coming in from the top. So if it's like this or like my setup, it doesn't really matter. It can take out items from this side or this side. So if you want it to be inside a wall, you need to face them. If this was the wall, you need to face it into the room, which is this way. So back here we need filters. Also, if you need to know, I really don't enjoy using Buildcraft pipes. You can if you want to. You need to add some, I think it's redstone engines or whatever engine you want to be here. It's slower, it lags the server or whatever you're playing on, so it doesn't really. So this is the best machine to use. We need to move this. We don't need that one. Oops. There we go. As you can see, the big mouth is facing this way, which means it will put in items right now. So we need to change the direction. So take a sonic screwdriver. change it the other way around. Put some pipes behind. Oops. If you want to do like my system, when they're done, they come back to the chest and checks if it's going that way. You can put a chest wherever, like there. There, doesn't matter. It's up to you. I won't have mine there. If you have this close and don't really care if you can see the redstone, you can have like this. I wonder if this works. Yeah. So you continue on the pipes here. Make sure the lining here. Also, if you wonder, this is red alloy wire. It's really good, but it doesn't have the same properties as real redstone has. And you also don't really need to have this fast, because it will lag, but not as much. So put like this and set it to something new, or set a timer here, but I want again to have like this. It's so much easier to remember. 1001. Let's set this one to timer 5S. Set name. Add 5 seconds to it. You don't really need to be that fast. Even with the most maxed out system, I couldn't get it to work. I think 10 seconds is the best you can have for electrical engines. So, yeah. You can have 5, 10, doesn't matter. So, now we need electricity. So we've got to go under it. You can put bat boxes under it, and we'll take the EU right from it, but I want to use a better, faster way. So if you use bat boxes, you don't need to use this way. Then you need transmitters. No, transformers, I think they're called. Transformer upgrades, yeah. You put 1 for MFE and 2 for MFSU. We're gonna use MFE. So put 1 in each. If you don't do this and put an MFE under it, it will explode. And I don't really want to build this again, so I won't demonstrate. Put the MFE down. This eye or hole, or whatever you want to call it, needs to be up. That means this hole pushes energy out from this hole. If you put cable right here, it will only take in to the MFE, not out. So you need to point it upwards. Take some fiber cables. You can use pretty much anything, but I want to recommend tin wires. They're basically useless for this. And you can have an MFE or whatever. I'm gonna use some hybrid, because otherwise I need something else and I don't really want to. I can't spell hard. So now everyone is getting power, and we need to configure items. We'll have dust coming in here. If I can find some good dust to put in that's actually working in there. There, nickel. You can put 9 items in here. I want Oh, if you put one items in there, it will take the entire stack that's coming here. It doesn't matter if it's 140, blah blah blah, it will take every single one. And fucking lag spike. Let's see if it's pushing out. Yeah, it's coming there. It goes in there, it will start. Let's hope this pulses soon, so we can see it go out. Why isn't it working? Oh, it's taking signal from that one. How retarded. No. Yeah, it's popping out. It goes back into this chest, pumps out, and goes through here. Because it's done. So that's how you do it. You can add how many other things you need, like macerators, squeezers, compressors, blah blah blah. Just, you can have whatever you want. Use your imagination and you will get it right. So that's the end of episode 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.